What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I have a vlog for you guys. So it is Friday afternoon and I really want to bake. So I've been on a baking kind of kick recently and it's probably not the best for me because I'm trying to be healthy, but it's okay. I feel like moderation is key, and also I love baking for my husband. He really appreciates it and he's so cute. So I want to bake something for him. So I have a lot of pineapple in my fridge. We had like 2 or 3 pineapples in the house, and you guys, I am sick of eating pineapple. Like, I feel like I bought way too much. I was craving it, and then you know how Desi dads are when you tell them you like something and they bring like a truckload home. So my husband pulled a Desi dad where I told him I was really craving pineapple and he just bought way too much. So I have a lot of pineapple in my fridge and I'm like, okay, what can I do with this? So then I remembered back in the day when I was a kid growing up, I used to always eat this like upside down pineapple cake. There was someone in my family who used to bring it to family gatherings and dinner parties all the time. So I grew up eating it and I asked my husband, I'm like, did you ever try pineapple cake? Like, should I make some with the pineapple that's just sitting in the fridge? This guy told me he never had any pineapple cake before, and I was like, all right, bet, I'm gonna make upside down pineapple cake and you are going to try it today. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So if you guys are interested in following along throughout my Friday afternoon and my evening, then make sure to keep on watching. And before we get started, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Of course, you guys know the drill. Sophie baby has to say hello. Dopey, you want to say hi? She loves taking a nap on the couch right here. It's her favorite spot, isn't it, Sophia? Hey, Sophie baby. Is it your nap time? Is it your... Oh, look at those sleepy eyes. It's her nap time. So for ingredients, I have 1 cup of flour. This is actually all the flour I have left in the house, so it's good. I'm gonna have to buy some more. I have brown sugar, of course. You guys saw in my most recent vlog how I fixed my brown sugar. So she is a champ. We have her today. I have some salt, of course, some regular sugar, some butter, obviously the pineapples. I have a baking powder, 4 eggs, and the recipe calls for almond extract, but I don't have any, so we're gonna use vanilla, if it'll focus. There you go. So I have just some vanilla extract that I'm gonna use. So step 1 is to heat up the 1/2 cup of butter. So I'm just gonna heat this up on low. You basically want to melt it down. While the butter is melting, I want to cut my pineapple into like thinner slices like this. I think this should be enough. If I need more, I do have pineapple here that I can slice up, but I would say this is about a cup right now, so we'll see if I need more. So I can see that the sugar is starting to dissolve into the butter. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a stir because I want it to evenly melt in with the butter. So next up, I'm gonna go in with my pineapple slices and I'm just going to add those to the bottom. So that is pretty much it. Now I need to set this aside and we're gonna make the cake batter. I find this step is really tricky because it's getting really crummy, but you have to take the egg white mixture and kind of fold it in. But my egg white mixture didn't really get get nice and fluffy like how I wanted it to. I don't know if I overbeat it, but we're just gonna keep on working with it and hopefully get a nice batter. I kind of messed up the whole purpose of separating the egg whites and egg yolks because, again, my egg whites didn't really peak nicely. I don't know what the problem is. I either overdid it or maybe my eggs were left out too long and they are at room temperature. Maybe they needed to stay cold. But I think I'm gonna go in with my mixer and get rid of these lumps. So I will be right back. You guys, I am so upset right now. I went ahead and I blended this with my handheld blender and it's still really kind of patchy and not nicely blended. So I definitely do not recommend doing the step where I showed you guys where I mixed the egg yolk with the flour. Like, I don't know why, even just doing that, my body was like, what are you doing? This is gonna be such a pain, and it is. So I'm still dealing with lumps in here. It's pretty annoying, but I mean, what are you gonna do? I tried to blend it out as much as I can. I think this is the best I'm gonna get. So the last thing I have to do is add some vanilla extract and a little bit of melted butter. So I'm gonna do that real quick. My last resort is whisking it with my hand, so let me just give that one last try. All right, so I'm gonna go and place the batter around the tray evenly. All right, we're gonna pop this in the oven and I'll show you guys the final results. Good morning. Are you just sleeping? Oh, wow, good morning. Or maybe good night. Maybe you're falling back asleep. Such a cute little one. So my siblings got this light pointer for my cat and she loves this thing. Let's see what she does when I point the light. I'm being so annoying. It's right at your paws. It's right at your paws. Come on, right here. You got it. Let's change it up. You can change what it is. Like, look at this. It could be a butterfly, a smiley face, a star. I think this is supposed to be a mouse, and then that. Let's do a smiley face. Sophie. Sophie. Sophie, look at the smiley face on her. Sophie, look. Sophie loves her temptation treats. Little cutie. Alright, you guys, cake is out of the oven. It smells so good. It actually looks quite spongy, so maybe I didn't completely mess up the dough like how I thought. So we're gonna let this cool down for at least an hour before we go in and try to flip it. So I will see you guys in a bit. So while we're waiting for the cake to settle down before we can actually taste test it, I wanted to share something with you guys that I've currently been obsessing with. So it actually all started when I ran into this at the dollar store. Well, I guess I found it, I didn't run into it, but it's basically slime, you guys. It came with 3 different colors, and then one of the containers came with toppings like sparkles and beads and stuff like that. and I just love playing with slime. It's such a fun sensory toy. It really gets me relaxed, and it's just so much fun to fiddle with. I like playing with it while I'm working or if I'm just relaxing. It's just really satisfying. I remember my husband was like, wait, why are you buying slime? Like, why are you buying this random thing? You know, what are you gonna do with it? And then as soon as we brought it home and he tried it out, I forced him to try it. He understood why I really wanted to get it, just because I would always see videos online on, you know, TikTok or YouTube, and I just knew that if I got my hands on slime, I would be obsessed. But anyways, so I came across this kit from Walmart and I got a bunch. It's like a grocery set, which is pretty on brand considering I am a foodie and I love food. So let me show you guys. It's pretty awesome. So the ones from Dollarama are pretty much dried out, you guys, so I need to actually throw these out. I already got rid of the blue one, but here is the grocery set. Oh my god. And it even came with these little fun toppings, which I didn't actually use because I wanted to save them, but I'm obsessed. It's just so satisfying, and I really want to get big amounts of slime. Like, let me open this cereal one for you guys. So this one I would say is the gooeyest one. Like, it's super gooey, and there's like little beads in there which are supposed to resemble cereal. But yeah, this one is super gooey. And then a lot of these are starting to dry out because I mean I play with them all the time. You know what, let's open this one. This is a really delicious one, mint ice cream. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, I am just so obsessed. This one is really gooey as well, but as you play with it, I find it gets a little bit more dense. Like this one, for example, I've used quite a bit, so it's a little bit more dense. Here is the mac and cheese. You can see it's a lot more dense, and it's just so fun and satisfying to play with. So if you guys have any slime recommendations, or if you're a child like me and you love playing with things like this, let me know, because I'm really in the lookout for big amounts of slime. I know there's this one brand by, I think, Karina Garcia, but she always sells out, and I really want to get my hands on her slime because it just looks so fun, and it's massive. Like, it's like this big, and it looks more legit. Oh my god, look at this coffee one. How cute. I think we're good to try the cake now. I'm gonna try and flip it. I'm here at my kitchen now, so let's flip it and see if we can cut it and give it a taste. Poke around it to see if it needs the help or not. Honestly, the cake seems quite spongy, which makes me happy because I was a little bit worried. All right, it's not that hot. I think we're okay to try and flip it. Oh my god, I'm scared. Is it gonna flip? I don't know. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh no, it broke. Oh no. Let's just try and piece that back together. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. There is some pineapple that is left on here and some of the sugar. So I'm gonna just place that back on top. I feel like I should have waited maybe a little bit more. Let me show you guys. Honestly, this does not look bad. This actually looks really delicious. I am so excited to give this a try. Like, wow. For my first time, I think I did a pretty good job. I feel like I could have added maybe a little bit more pineapple, but I mean, hey, this still looks amazing. Here is a close-up of this upside down pineapple cake. Looks like it got a little bit burnt, but I think it's also gonna taste really amazing. The brown sugar and the butter created like a nice caramelized topping. I cannot wait to try this. Wow. All right, you guys, I have a piece of this cake. Let's give it a taste. Oh wow, to start off, it is actually quite spongy, which was what we were trying to achieve with separating the egg. So the egg white and the egg yolk. So let's give this a taste. Wow, it's very spongy. Oh my goodness, I didn't think it would turn out this good. I honestly had pretty low standards and not too much hope because I feel like I messed up the batter, but it's actually really good. The top of the cake is definitely the best part with the pineapple and the butter and the brown sugar. That adds such a nice layer. The cake is very spongy. I feel like we achieved the consistency we wanted to, so I'm actually really happy. Sophie keeps crying at my feet. She wants to try this. Baby, you don't like pineapple. You don't like pineapple. Why you want to try this? You don't like it. You get to see, but you don't like it, baby. You don't like it. Probably because she smells the sweetness and the egg. She loves eggs. Oh, okay. All right, well, I'm gonna put you down if you're gonna bite me. But yeah, you guys, definitely, honestly, try this recipe out. I mean, I messed up the batter, so if you guys try this and you're able to not mess up the batter like me, let me know in the comments down below how it goes for you guys. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I have honestly been loving vlogging for you guys, so if you guys like these videos and you want to see more informal videos like this, definitely let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up so I know you liked it. I love sharing the more real side of my life with you guys. I know throughout the years I've done a lot of structured videos, and don't get me wrong, I love those videos. I love doing my studio videos, my makeup tutorials, makeup reviews. I love that. But I also love this side as well, where I'm just myself and I like to just share my life with you guys. So thank you so much for following along in today's vlog and for also supporting me as I grow and branch out on YouTube. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.